Hi, I'm Neville, and I'm the home owner of this place. Actually, that's a tricky question. It's more on what my wife wanted in the first place. We have always lived in a very contemporary and very Peranakan-based house, as you can see. So we wanted to do something new, and so instead of going to something very new, we wanted something very colonial and going back to our roots kind of stuff. So that's where we got our inspiration from. Most of the ideas came from Jialux, and some of it in collaboration with my wife. I did not have a hand in it. Actually, it's pretty hard to describe which is the best place. I love the whole house and how he did it up. I'm very pleased with what he did. But to really name the best and the best place that we actually frequent the most, I would say the patio. Simple yet comfortable, and this is where I actually do most of the entertaining. And of course, I would say my second place is my bedroom. That's where I rest and watch my TV and watch my soccer. I think the most important thing to me was Alvin. He himself. He's a very patient person. Doing a house is not easy, right? There are a lot of small little nicks and knacks that you need to. And I think he's very responsive and very patient to come down and actually settle all my queries. And that is why I think Jialux is the way to go. I think I'm very happy because this project was not a small project. It lasted for about 4 months to do up the whole place. And I think and the way it turned out, I'm very glad. And of course, definitely, I'm very pleased with Jialux, and I would definitely recommend Jialux to anybody. For new homeowners, if you're going to do a big project like what we did, I would consider a big project because we actually transformed the whole house. You must know exactly what you want, what theme you want. And most importantly, you have to work very well, and you must choose a good ID. The ID is very important because he will share his insights on certain things that you might want but you can't do. Because if you do not have an idea of exactly what you want, then I think your house will be very mixed up, in that sense. Alright, bye and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my home.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.